How to change your username on Twitter. I will do this tutorial on my PC. You can do so on your other OSs or other browser, also on your mobile browser as well. If you want more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Here we go. First off, just open your browser and then go to twitter.com. Just log into your Twitter account, and from your Twitter home feed, go to your profile. There are two things that you can change: your display name and your username. To edit your display name, just click edit profile and then change your display name. I'll change mine to Fresh Milk, and then after that I'll just click save on the top right of it. And now as you can see that my current display name is Fresh Milk. Now in order to change the username, as you can see that my username is Garslop1357 and I wanted to change it, just choose more, and from that just click settings and privacy with the gear icon, and from the settings choose your account and account information. Enter your password from there. I will enter mine and then choose confirm and click username. Change it. You can change it whatever name that you want. As long as that name is unique, aka hasn't been taken by other account, Twitter will notify you if there's a naming conflict in there. So I'll change it to Fresh Milk 1357 and I'll go to home, choose profile. And as you can see that my current username is now freshmilk1357. So that's how you change your display name and your username on Twitter. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at TechTricks to cover, please do not hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps. Take care and goodbye too.